Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we've got the iPhone XR in-house. Now I got this XR on a sale on Amazon and I've got it for a total price of about 300 US dollars. And the price was dropped after I did exchange an iPhone 7 Plus for this. So let's just get into the unboxing. So here it is. It's all sealed up. It's a 64 gigabyte one. And one thing I like to do to all of my new devices before I unbox them is just to check out whether these devices have been activated in the past or not, just to be on the safer side. So in case you have any issues, you can still return the device without opening it up. So this is Apple's website. You can check your coverage right here. Just enter your serial number and there it is, iPhone XR, and it says please activate your device. So we know that this device has not been activated, and that's great. So let's begin. Now all of us have seen a ton of these unboxings, so there's nothing new here. I'm sorry guys, I will be doing it with one hand itself since the tripod is not free at the moment. So bear with me. Got the plastics off. There they are. And we've got the phone itself. Let's keep the plastics to a side. And here it is. Right, let's open her up. It opens up quite easily. Really easily. Surprisingly. So this is the product red version. Let's prop it up. This is the product red XR. So as we all know, we've got paperwork first. So firstly, we have a little leaflet talking about the product red edition of the iPhone. So a part of the sale proceeds do go towards funding AIDS research. So that's great. And finally, we have the iPhone XR itself in the beautiful product red. So first impressions, looks really, really nice. That product red though is really, really nice. I love the color and it looks fantastic. So let's just keep the phone to one side. And in the box, the standard stuff, you have the regular 5-watt charger, which is still quite disappointing, and the earphones and the charging cable, and that's it. So standard stuff in the box. Let's look at the XR. So yep, let's turn it on. Hope it's got some battery on it. And there it is, first boot. So I'm coming from the iPhone X, and I have to say the XR is a bit broader. Although the feel in the hand isn't as premium as my iPhone X, I really missed the stainless steel already. It felt really nice in the hand. The iPhone XR is slightly on the cheaper side in my frank opinion with that aluminum. Now obviously that helped with the price drop for Apple. And I will really surely miss my OLED display for my iPhone X, that's for sure, and those dual lenses. But I've still not made a complete switch to the XR. I'm just going to use it for about a week and then make up my mind whether I will still keep the iPhone X or completely transfer over to the iPhone XR. So let's just run through the setup really quickly. We've got to be here in India. The display as well looks pretty good. So yep, this is the LCD display. It looks pretty good, first impressions. So let's just move on. Just enter my Wi-Fi password. There we go, get connected. But I have to say that the XR is, in my frank opinion, I think Apple's best seller, especially in countries like India. Firstly, given the price drop, which was done after the brand new iPhone 11 is released. So this phone is at a very, very attractive price right now. And furthermore, given the sale on Amazon, and after you put in the exchange value, this iPhone XR can be had at a very attractive price. And I think Apple should really get the iPhones at that price point because it works really well in the Indian market. I'll just skip out Face ID. We'll do this later. Not right now. Skip all of this. Do this later. This as well. Agree. Do this later. I really don't use True Tone a lot because I find it kind of makes the display a bit yellowish, which I personally really don't like. And there it is. Okay, set it up. That's nice. So guys, do stay tuned to the channel. I will have a lot of videos talking about the 10R, the first impressions after about a week, and we will also be comparing it to the iPhone 10, the Galaxy S10, and we'll see whether it's worth picking up the iPhone 10, those of you who are looking at picking up the iPhone 10 right now in late 2019, or it's worth just skipping the 10 and going to the 10R, although you will lose that OLED display and you will lose the stainless steel band as well as those dual cameras if you skip the 10 and come to the 10R. So that's it guys, a quick unboxing, nothing great, but I'm really excited to start using the 10R and I will keep you updated on the way it goes. So if you did like this video, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.